Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So really excited. I have some happy mail here from my lovely friend Laura. So thank you so much, Laura. Really kind of you. It's taken me ages to get around to opening this. I had opened the box, I have to confess, and had a little peek, but haven't been able to do the video because I've had really inky hands, and yes, I had to kind of give videos a miss for a few days. So luckily I had some backed up. So I'm just going to obviously take my card out and I will read that, you know, privately. My little note from Laura. Oh, super excited. Don't know where to start. Oh, look at these gorgeous paper clips. Oh wow, these are lovely, aren't they? I've seen these before. She sent some of these before, but these are even more amazing. Look, they're paper clips, you know, double paper clips. So on each side there's a paper clip. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. Oh, thank you, Laura. I think I've talked about this before, but every time that Laura's sent me something that she's made, it just has to go into my hoarding stash. I can't quite bring myself to use things. I think I've used like 2 things or something that she's made, but yeah, because I just have to keep it and keep looking at it. Oh, I love these. Attendance card. I don't know what this is. Oh, look. Excused, sick, vacation. Not excused. Jury duty. Oh, I love these. Thank you, Laura. They are awesome. Yeah, look forward to using those. Thank you very much. Whether I do or whether I hoard them is remains to be seen, doesn't it? But oh, look at these flowers. All gold. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, I love these. I assume she's enclosed a note saying how she's painted these. Yeah, these are my hand-painted flowers. Yep. Just quickly reading her note. Yeah, I really love those. Aren't they beautiful? They're kind of obviously a bit sticky, so they kind of stick together, but they obviously will pull apart, you know. When I come to use them, I will just kind of separate them. Aren't they gorgeous? I love those. Do you know what I'm thinking? You could stamp script across those as well, and they would look really cool, wouldn't they? Oh, love those. Thank you, Laura. Oh, what are these? Oh, aren't these gorgeous envelopes? Wow, these are, oh, what's that word? Oh, what's the word when it's kind of that special paper with a texture? Anyway, they're, yeah, very high quality kind of feeling envelopes. They are lovely, and so many. Thank you. Oh, I love those. They're really nice. Thank you very much. Let's have a look at these. There's 2 wooden inkers. Let's have a look. Pull off the sponge, heat remaining glue. Use your glue gun to round the... Oh, I think this must be for this here. Wow, this is really cool. Thank you. I have not seen these before. Oh, that's brilliant. So these are from Jessica Rapp. Wooden inkers from Jessica Rapp's. Oh, Jessica Rapp's son. So he must make these. Wow, isn't he clever? He's brilliant. I use mine all the time with the Tim Holtz Distress Inks. Right, so if you want one of these big distress inkers, they're obviously available through Jessica Rapp's shop, I assume. Yeah, they're really cool. Heat the remaining glue with a heat gun. Oh, that's awesome. Great, I shall have fun trying out those. Thank you very much. I have never seen those. Oh, aren't these cute? Look at these. Oh, they're so sweet. Recipe cards. I might actually genuinely have to use these in my recipe box. I've got like a recipe box that's faded and awful, and I really am running out of cards, so I might actually just have to use these in my recipe box because they're really lovely. I love that kind of vibrant colour. Gorgeous. Oh, beautiful array of things here. Look, perfect for flower centres. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this little bag as well. Oh, look. Oh, look. There's even a ring here. I wonder if that fits. Oh, it looks quite small. No? Oh, time to exchange rings, I think, now. Oh, thank you so much, Laura. I don't know whether you included that for me to wear or for me to actually use the centre kind of in a flower or something, but I'm going to wear it. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. There's another one here. Oh, thank you. These are awesome. Thank you very much. I'm just going to wear one. I don't know why. I just tend to wear one on one hand, but oh, thank you very much. Wow, that's like my highlight of the day. Thank you very much. And it fits, which is just perfect. Oh, friends are the flowers in the garden of life. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Oh, look at these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pictures. Aren't they pretty? Oh, what a lovely book. Oh, I love these pictures. They are so pretty. Do you know, they remind me a bit of the Graphic 45 papers. I don't know why. I think the colours are quite similar. And the way they've kind of got all these bits around them, they're a bit like the Graphic 45 stuff. Oh, that's gorgeous. Thank you very much. What a lovely, lovely book. It says words for friends to live by. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, what is this? Oh, I'm loving this already. Oh, look. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Look. It's got this, is this called embroidery on anglaise? I can never quite pronounce that, but which is fantastic. Could obviously cut that off and things, and then use the fabric, which would be awesome. I can't tell whether this, I assume this was a top. Oh, I love that. Thank you very much. I love the fabric. Oh, more things. Oh, more beads, look here. They're really pretty, aren't they? Oh, those were earrings, look. And I love those bags again, so thank you. Oh, you're a star, Laura. Thank you so much. I still have got a few, but I am now literally down to about my last 3 lengths, so that's awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, love these gorgeous flowers. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they're so pretty, and they're actually fabric. I'm not going to open it fully because they would just spill out and then I'll be here for ages putting them back, but aren't they pretty? Thank you very much. Oh, what's this? Beautiful colours. Oh, straight away, this just reminds me of my holiday journal. It's just those similar sorts of colours. Oh, how cute. It was an apron. Oh, that is so lovely. Oh, thank you very much. That's really, really pretty. It just, yeah, the colours, they just remind me of my holiday journal. Oh, look at this fabric. It's rolled up. I've never really seen fabric kind of rolled up like this before. Oh, I'm not going to unroll it because I would just kind of make a mess of getting it undone there because I think it's like sellotape together. But again, absolutely beautiful fabric, isn't it? Maybe a Christmas journal would be good. Oh, Laura, thank you so much. You must have put these in because when I was doing my kit for the Flights of Fancy, I had no normal size paper clips. I only had big ones and even bigger ones. So that is awesome. Thank you so, so much. They're brilliant. Thank you very much. Ooh, intrigued by what this is. This just looks glorious. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's awesome. I love this kind of, I don't know really whether you would even class this as lace, but it's that kind of cottony type. I don't know whether this would class as some sort of crochet technique or, but I love using things like this. So that is awesome. Thank you very, very much. And there's loads of bits with that all over it. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you very much. Oh, and obviously you can use the other fabric for layering and things like that. Oh, look. all this gorgeous lace. So let me just move the box out of the way so you can actually see a bit better. Oh, just adore lace. And yeah, isn't this pretty? This looks like it might have been a tablecloth. Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely lovely. It's very fine. Very, yeah, very fine. Very kind of thin. Lovely to work with. Oh, this one's pretty too. Oh, this one's really nice. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. Oh, I love lace, as you know, and yeah, these are so very appreciated. Thank you so much, Laura. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I love all lace, so these are fantastic. I'm thinking coffee dye those. Well, maybe not all of them actually. I love this colour, isn't that just so pretty? Yummy, yummy colour. I probably won't coffee dye this because it might actually kind of, you know, ruin the colour, but I just love this colour. It's very, very pretty. Oh, Laura, I'm feeling really spoiled. Thank you so, so much. I love this. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Thank you so, so much. These are awesome. Thank you so much, Laura. I'm feeling well and truly spoiled. So thank you very, very, very much. I love my ring and fits perfectly. As I said, I don't know whether you actually included it for me to wear or whether you included it for me to cut up, but thank you so much. I'm going to wear it. So yeah, thank you very much, Laura. Really, really appreciate it. I mean, I know that I've said this to you so many times. You really are the kindest person that I've ever come across. So I really do appreciate your lovely oh, sorry, not my tripod. Your lovely, lovely goodies that you've sent me. Thank you so, so much. And thank you very, very much, guys, for sharing all these lovely things with me. I hope that you also enjoyed looking through them. So thank you. Bye.